Students, now another very important question. What is the role of the state in promoting economic and social development in terms of Indian scenario? First of all, we discuss about what is the state. The state is all about a particular territory having a centralized government, and a government exercises all its power for maintaining a particular territory. In India, as we all know, we believe in the concept of the welfare state, and it is the duty of the government to promote maximum welfare. As we all studied in the preamble, that there are three basically rights mentioned to participate for all the people: economic, social, and the political participation. The duties of the state is that to maintain a proper law and order, and also to manage them, how properly implementation take place. In India, the government from time to time make a various schemes regarding the development of the people. Having a cooperative federalism, both the center and the states participate together for the development. Like, for example, in healthcare, as we all know, that in today's time, the health facility is so much high, and the government is introducing a scheme like Ayushman Bharat scheme, having implemented all over the state, providing the beneficials to the people so that at a very cost-effective measure, they can avail the health facilities. The government is also being promoting the education also in the society, providing the education to the people at a very minimum cost so that all the sections of the populations get educated. It is the duty of the state to raise employment opportunities also, to reduce the inequality gaps. At present, the government is being doing for the various roles for the development of the people by giving them employment. Like, for example, Pradhan Mantri Atal Pension Yojana. It is all about the scheme for the development of the people in the unorganized sector. Pradhan Mantri Skill Development Scheme. It is all about the development of the skills for the people so that they can avail the employment and bring more and more participation in the development of a nation. The state is a very important component, and it is managing all the powers within the particular territory for the development of a people. In a particular state, the government is like a watchdog, and he is managing all the activities for the development of a people and keeping a view in perspective of both the macro and the micro variables. Like in 2016, the government introduced a scheme for those peoples who is not having the gas connection at their home, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. It is a major flagship scheme by the government so that the people who are not having a proper gas connection at their home, they can avail the facilities of that. Time to time, the government is being scheme for promoting the welfare for each and every sections. Like, for example, for the girls, the scheme is all about Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Yojana. It is the duty of the state to target each and every sort of the populations and reducing the gaps and providing maximum development to that section of the population which is living below the poverty line, and giving him more thrust and development so that they can also be participated in their major economic stream. So the duties of the state is ranging from the micro to the macro, thrust on each and every sector of the economy and each and every section of the people living in the country, and having a balanced approach so that all of the population can benefited by the role of the state and promotes equally in the economic development of a nation. Thank you all.